Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you picked the wrong pickup point on Vinted. It happens more often than you think. So the good news is, in some cases, you can always change it. But timing is very important. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually change your Vinted pickup point in 2026 using the app or the website. Same steps, don't really worry about it. Let's get started. So as I told you, if you are using Android or iOS, go through the Vinted app, log in using your email address and password to access the dashboard. But for me today, I'm just gonna go to Vinted.com. Basically, do the same steps, log in, then go and look for the inbox. After this, open the order conversation, then check the shipping details section. If the order has not shipped yet, you can also cancel the order if allowed, then reorder and choose the correct pickup point at the checkout. But if the order has already shipped, contact the shipping platform or basically carrier depending, then directly send them an email, message, whatsoever. If supported, let them know that you are trying to change the placement. Well, some basically shipment companies allow redirection via their tracking page. As for an important note, once shipped, Vinted usually cannot change the pickup point inside the app itself, so keep it in mind. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.